Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2023. Supercharged biotech rice can increase rice yield by up to 40%.
Poultry processors around the world face the daily challenge.
Leading European processor adds 3 more Sortex H Spectravision machines to its oat mills.
SKF Mud Block seals MUD11 for oil lubricated applications.
Spain, a target market, exporting more than 90% of production is Simaga's DNA.
USGC members gather in Sacramento for 62nd Annual Board of Delegates meeting.
Caption News on Ethiopia double line 112 with 43,000-ton steel silos.
RFL wants to take the export of goods to $100 crore by 2025.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2023, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Space 2022, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.